Hi everybody, today you guys I'm going to be showing us this new release style from TressAllure. I have Cool Pixie here and I have it in two different colors. I want to say thank you to Wig Studio One. They sent me this one for a review and I will have purchase information down in my description. I will also have a link to the Wig Studio One private Facebook group. It's called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Especially if you're new to wigs, we'd just love it if you would come over there and join us on that private Facebook group. Okay, you guys, let's get to talking about Cool Pixie here. Now, Wig Studio One sent me this one, and I bought this one off of the Wig Studio One open box section because I wanted to see this color, this salt and pepper gray. So let me sit this one down. The color code for this one is 441001 and it just says salt and pepper. So let me turn around and show you the back of this. The one that I just showed you, the color is 24102 R12. And we're going to look at that one in just a minute, okay? This is made from heat-friendly fibers by TressAllure. This weighs 2.5 ounces. It is absolutely feather light and feels like nothing on my head. You can see it's just this little asymmetrical right here. This is just so feathery light and just wispy little fibers. I love TressAllure heat-friendly fibers. Okay, this style comes in 24 colors. They say it's like a little pixie shag style, and I think so too. See how it tucks behind the ears? It has a pretty good nape on it too. I'm not sure what the nape is, maybe 1 3/4, but it has a pretty good nape. I noticed that it's a little slim right here behind the ear. So just be aware of your hairline with Cool Pixie here. One important thing I want to tell you is that right now on the Wig Studio One website, this is $99. So that's always a good thing. Okay, I'm going to take this one off. And let me grab this one in, 24102 R12. This gorgeous blonde. Here's what it says. Gold blonde with platinum highlights and golden brown roots. Before I put it on, let me show you the inside of the cap. This is a basic cap construction. There's really minimal permatease in here. It is very thin. I mean, it's a thin amount of permatease, so. And you see it's just that lace covered material here. So it's just a basic cap, no lace features, no mono parts or anything like that. And it has this, it's a soft ear tab with a good bendable stay in there. This soft extended nape with these Velcro adjusters. And then it's just all open wefted. So it's a basic cap construction, but I love my basic cap wigs. Now I haven't even given this one a shake or anything, so let me just give it a little shake so we can look at it together. I'm so excited about this color too, but I love all the colors. Oh yeah. Oh, what a gorgeous color. Oh, you know what I'm noticing right off the bat, because this one has this root, you know, if there is any little permatease up there, having a root always kind of helps disguise that. But I didn't notice that very much, even on that very white salt and pepper. So, well done. Isn't that the prettiest? That is so pretty. Throw it on your head, out the door, you're done. Okay, everybody. Gosh, I'm just so happy to get to show you this adorable little pixie. Okay, I'm gonna go outside and take a little short video of what both of these colors look like outside, and I'll add it to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. This is an outside look at the color, the salt and pepper color on TressAllure's Cool Pixie. Okay, I have this other one here. The gold blonde with platinum highlights and a golden brown root. This is a gorgeous color too.